My name is Jamie Eppinger. I'm in the Distance PharmD program here at University of Findlay, and I live in Caseville, Michigan. I was attracted to Findlay's Distance PharmD program because they had the best pass rates. At the time when I had applied, their pass rate was in the 80 and 90% for the NAPLEX. I knew I was going to be successful in this program. I knew I could put in whatever work it took. So as long as I was prepared by my school and the faculty, I knew I would be successful, and Findlay was the perfect place for me. I was attracted to a career in pharmacy because I'm able to help others right in my community. I love community pharmacy. I just love feeling like I'm helping people directly and building rapport with my community. The admissions process is another reason that I ended up choosing Findlay. Applying to any program is stressful, especially a pharmacy program. They were the only university to set up phone calls with me, and she made it well organized, and I felt supported the whole way through. My experience in the program so far has been great. They have done a really great job preparing this online program for us. They have used so many different resources to make sure that we have the adequate information for each of our courses. The faculty here is amazing. I feel very supported by them. What stands out the most to me is that if I email any of the faculty, they are back to me within 15 minutes. They make sure we're prepared. I got to experience hands-on learning through my Eppinger hours. They were able to get me set up quickly and efficiently with the pharmacy near my house, and I was able to apply what I was actually learning in my courses in the pharmacy, which was amazing. They go above and beyond for us here at Findlay.